Before anything, I would like to apologize for wearing a wig when I'm doing my natural hair journey. It's just that I just got my hair braided down and y'all requested this video, so I couldn't just take out my braids, you know. So I'm really sorry about that. Yeah. My name is Eugenia Kelsey. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like my content and stick around. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing and also coming back to watch this video. So today I will be doing my natural hair journey. I'll be showing you guys how I grew out my hair, and as well as like the products that I have been using, the ones that helped, the ones that didn't help, and all of that, you know. And as well as like my current routines and stuff. So let's just get into this video, y'all. I'm so excited. Can you tell? Can you tell? I first went natural in 2014. I think it was October of 2014. And prior to that, I had never had long hair. Like, no one in my family has long hair except for me right now, because just kidding. This is a picture of me as a kid, and this is the longest that my hair had been until I went natural in 2014. When I went natural, my hair growth was okay. Like, it didn't grow fast, it didn't grow hella, like whatever. I think the average person's hair grows 6 inches a year. Mine was 5. So for my first year of going natural, I grew my hair out 5 inches. I wouldn't insert a picture here. So that's from 2014 to 2015. And from 2015 to 2016, my hair grew about another 5 inches. So 2 years of going natural, I had 10 inches of hair. Great, right? No. I hit a growth plateau. After 2 years of growing I thought my hair was going to grow 5 inches every year. And it's like 5 years, I'm going to have 25 inches of hair. No. I hit a growth plateau 2 years into my natural haircut. So this is what I did, and this is what has helped me throughout my natural haircut journey. These steps are not in order of importance. It's more like how I did it. So yeah, let's get into it. The first step in my natural, like in growing my hair, was the use of fenugreek seeds. So what I do is that these are, I have them right here. It's open, but yeah. I put fenugreek in water, like cold water, and I let it sit for about 24 to 36 hours. So that's like a day and a half. And I strain the seeds out, and the water that's left, I put it in my water bottle and I hydrate it with my hair every day. Fenugreek has nicotinic acid, which helps treat the scalp and prevents hair fall. It also stimulates the hair follicle, so if you're experiencing any balding or if your hair is not growing, that's what I would recommend. Put the seeds in the bottle and just put your hair in cornrows and wear a wig. That's usually my routine. I have my hair in cornrows right now, and I have a wig, and once I take out my wig, I just spray it on my hair and moisturize it every day, and it's really been an essential part in making my hair strong and not falling out, and also stimulating my hair follicles to grow. The second step I would say is to ditch the combs, like put the combs away. Like, our kinks are not meant to be combed. Like, I see people on YouTube like combing their hair, and sir, ma'am, stop. Like, instead, what I recommend is putting your hair in protective styling. And let me define protective styling. Any hairstyle that does not last you from 4 to 6 weeks is not protective styling, because it's not protecting anything. So your flat twist that lasts for a week is not protective styling. Because, like, your hair, the average person's hair grows a ½ an inch a month. So if you're putting your hair in flat twist and you're combing it, like you're taking it out and combing it every week, you're losing that ½ inch. You're not I'm sorry, like, it sounds like I'm fighting, but I'm like really passionate about this. Like, you're not retaining that ½ an inch that you're growing in a month. So that's not protecting anything. protective styling that I've done, I would say crochet braids or protective styling. Putting your hair in cornrows and wearing a wig is protective styling, and that's my personal favorite. Like, I could wear my hair out in a month and a half and I just have wigs on. That's my personal favorite. Braids take out my edges out, so I don't really like braids like that, but they're also good for protective style, like the rest of your hair. You could do crochet braids. What else? You could. There's so many, like, I'll just insert them because I don't remember the ones that I've done, but I'll just like insert them all over the screen. Oh, I've tried Vixen crochet braids. Please don't do that, because then you're gonna have to straighten your hair and stuff like that. Don't do sew-ins, because like I always did sew-ins and I did middle parts, and like the middle part of my hair is like really heat damaged, so don't do sew-ins, please. Protective styling. Stop combing your hair. And if you are going to comb your hair, and sometimes it's unavoidable, so if you are going to comb your hair, use a wide tooth comb. My third tip to growing your hair out long would be to use natural products. This is because like some of the hair products that you guys buy have like chemicals and stuff in it, and mainly because it's mass produced, and it's like people don't be paying attention to what they put in their hair. My favorite place to go get natural handmade products is on Etsy. Like, you go on Etsy, you type in like shea butter, like blah 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 blah. Like, you're gonna have it made by small owned businesses that put more attention and care into those products, and you're gonna get all the nutrients that's needed for your hair, instead of going to like those huge companies that use scientists to like synthesize like the nutrients, so you're not really getting them from your natural sources. So I would say to go on Etsy and get your products from natural hair companies. My tip number 4 is scalp massages. So I massage my scalp with oils, and I'm going to tell you what oils to use and what oils to not use. So olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. Those are oils that you could apply on your scalp, and you can massage into your scalp, and it could penetrate your cuticles, and it could penetrate your hair shaft. This is because these oils have a low molecular weight that helps them to be absorbed by your cuticles and hair shafts easily. Oils like jojoba oil and grapeseed oil have a larger molecular weight, so they're not able to penetrate your hair shafts. I recommend to use them to apply shine to your hair and to also provide your hair with a slip. Talking about oils with slip, I also recommend conditioners with a slip. What I mean by slip is that, you know how like with girls or like our 4C hair, the coils are really intact and it's always stuck on our hair. So whenever you use a conditioner with slip, it's like it slips your hair and it stretches out. So I think that's why you guys watched my last video and some of y'all are like, your hair is not 4C. It's like when you use conditioners with a slip, it just really slips out your hair, so you don't have to go in there and like detangle and do all of that. And that really helps in making my wash routine like really not easy, but it just makes it less hectic, and I don't have to go in there and like stretch it out and like comb it. It just get a conditioner that slips your hair. My all-time favorite is the Suave Coconut hair conditioner. I think it's $3. You could get it at Target. I always get mine at Target. And that's one of the best conditioners to use. Step number 6 would be your wash routine. If you guys have not seen my wash routine, I would attach a link right here. You could click that and watch it after watching this video. But basically what I have to say about wash routine is that don't brush your hair when your hair is like really wet or really dry, because in these two states your hair is the most brittle, like your kinks are the most brittle, and it's gonna break. Like, you're gonna break your hair, you're not gonna retain any length. I have 2 detangling methods. I have the tension method with the blow dryer where I blow dry my hair and then go back and figure detangle. And I also have the threading method in case you don't want to put heat on your hair. And I alternate between those because sometimes I'm too lazy to like thread my hair and wait for the next day to like go in and finger detangle. So I do the threading method, and I also use the heat blow dryer with the heat tension method. And those are the two that I recommend for detangling your hair to retain the most length. Step number 7, detangle your hair before you see your stylist. Like, I don't know about y'all, but like the stylists that before I used to go to, it's like they don't even care that my hair is 4C, you know? They be picking the Barbie combs and then just go through my, I'm just like, ma'am, like, please, like, chill, like, you gonna break my head off. So detangle your hair before you go to any other stylist, so they're not combing your hair out and, you know, breaking your hair that you spend months and months like growing them out. Or if not, just learn how to use YouTube, you know, learn how to corn braid, learn how to braid so you could do your own hair, so you could part it how you want it. You could take your time to comb it how you want it, because these stylists be having hella people booked, and then like whenever you go there, you're just like, they don't take their time to comb your hair and to like detangle it and stuff, and they just be breaking your hair. So either pay your stylist more, or when they start yanking your hair out, tell them it hurts. Cry. That's what I used to do. I would just sit there and be crying, and they just feel so bad, you know. So they're gonna take their time. If you can't do your hair, if you can't pay more, and when they start yanking your hair out, cry. It helps. I think someone asked me about hair vitamins. Hair vitamins haven't really worked for me in my natural hair journey. I remember earlier on I tried biotin, and biotin never really worked. Like, I took the pill like every day and it just broke out my skin, and I never really saw a growth in my hair. But one thing I do recommend is taking moringa powder. Like, you could put them in your smoothies, you can make tea with them, and I have the nutrient like content here. It has protein, it has vitamin B6, it has vitamin C, it has iron, it has vitamin A, magnesium, all of which are very essential in growing out your hair. So try moringa. Like, I stopped taking it because the taste was so bad, and like I don't drink smoothies. If you ask anyone that knows me, anything that's like healthy, I don't do them. I just eat chips, and like moringa was just too healthy for me, so I stopped. And my hair grows, like, I'm satisfied with my hair growth. It grows about ½ an inch a month, which is okay. So I'm not gonna drink moringa, but try moringa. Moringa might be good for you. For those of you whose hair doesn't grow, if your hair is not growing at all, you might want to try moringa. For my last tip would be to leave your hair alone. Like, you don't know how many times I tell people to leave their hair alone. Put your hair in cornrows. Let it just sit for a month and a half. Go 2 months if you want, you know? Just let it be. Leave it alone. Put it in braids. Leave it alone. Put it in crochet braids. Leave your hair alone. Let it be, and it's going to grow. I promise you. Don't be doing all the extra stuff. Don't be like, you know, I know people that get braids and take them out in 2 weeks. Like, what? Like, why did you have to do that? You just leave your hair alone. One more advice is that all the tips that I have given can help you grow your hair out, but if you're not natural, I don't know if it's going to work for you. If you're relaxed, like, I never had long hair when my hair was relaxed, so I don't know how to help you, because if your hair is relaxed, you're putting chemicals in your hair, and I just don't know how to help you, you know? So go natural, go, like, do the big chop, do all of that, and I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you grow your hair out. Don't be scared. Kelsey got you. I got you. I really do. So, and yeah, that would be the. Oh, some of y'all asked how many times I wash my hair. It usually depends. Usually I do it monthly, Usually, if I have my hair in cornrows, I do it like 2 weeks. Like I don't take my cornrows out. I just go in the shower and I just like, you know, just put water and shampoo on it and I just wash it with my cornrows. Like my cornrows be looking hella raggedy, but it's like my hair is washed and I have my wig on and no one's gonna know that my cornrows are looking raggedy. So my wash routine usually, it just depends. Sometimes I do 2 weeks, sometimes I do a month, sometimes I do 2 months, which is really nasty, but hey, at least I got long hair and you don't. I'm sorry I had to do that to y'all. I'm really sorry. You're probably not gonna come back, but please come back. I forgot to record an outro for this video, but as always, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube. I would really appreciate it. Also, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with my YouTube algorithms. When you guys like my videos, YouTube would recommend them to other channels, and that really helps me out. Feel free to leave any questions that you may have down below, and I'll try my best to answer all of you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!